Hey guys, Duckstar14 here, back with a YouTube video, and I'm gonna play Super Animal Royale with my friend. Talk. Say something.
Hello!
Okay. Okay, ready.
Come on, get ready, get ready.
I'm ready, stop. Here we go. Okay. Come on, load. Load! Okay, there we go. Wait.
Oh, you already
Okay, I haven't played this game much. This is him. How do I emote again? Oh, I forgot, but okay, here we go. I haven't played this game in a long time. Tell me when to get out. I haven't played this game in a really long time, so I might be not that good. Nice. Okay. Blue. Blue's my second favorite color. Purple's both of our favorite colors. Okay, where do we eject? Okay. We got this. Here we go. Oh man, I wanted that. I don't have a gun. Oh. Let's go. Ah! I missed. I'm terrible at this game. Oh no. There's someone down here and I'm dying. Someone down here. I'm dying. Dying. I am.
I'm full on dying.
No, I died. I'm down. Help me. Okay, I'm reviving. I'm gonna kill oh, I don't have any ammo. I killed them. I picked up their gun. It's a Dagnita's dirt gun. Yeah. I got a cup grade. Hamster ball. I got a hamster ball. Oh no, I'm down! Help me! I died. I was on the left of the pyramid. There's a guy there. Quickly, go. To the left. It's right there. That's all my stuff, too. Get my stuff. Get my stuff so they can't. They have like a laser gun or something.
Yeah, it's a new weapon.
Oh, okay. I haven't played this game in a while, so I don't know the new weapons of that. They took some of my stuff. Get them! Get them! Okay.
Are you spectating me?
Yeah, I am. Okay. Oh, there's a person over there. Alex. Get Alex. I don't know. Get him. Still need to get them. Okay, good. Get them.
I wish this was just like Fortnite. You could get the recorder.
Yeah.
I really wish that was recorded Super Animal Royale.
It would be cool.
Yeah.
Get them. Oh, there's some gas. Run.
I'm too fast.
Yeah. I actually had a,
No, I'm too fast with slow gas.
Oh, yeah. Get that. Get the...
Hey, I know what I'm doing. Don't talk to me.
Okay.
I'm better than this. Don't talk.
You are better than me. Okay. Yeah, I probably shouldn't be talking. You're doing a pretty good job. I might...
No one has really killed me.
Yeah. Oh no, the skunk gas is advancing. I'm so scared. I am really scared though. I'm not actually scared at all. Okay, you're in the safe zone.
I'm gonna be the one that's gonna lose.
Oh no! Oh, Alex is on our team. I didn't realize that. Maybe there's two guys called Alex. Get them! Get him!
I'm killing those.
Emu! Get the emu! Get the emu. Get that person. Yeah, they all died.
I got the whole team.
Yeah, that's really good actually. You're doing so good. Oh no, it's advancing. Run, run, run. Me and our other teammate, Aruto, are both dead. You kinda dying. Well, not really, but our teammate Alex. Go help our teammate Alex. At the top, look. Go save him. No, you didn't get there in time. You've almost won. How many people are left? Can I? Wait, I'm gonna. Oh, okay, I'm leaving. I'm going to say.
I'm just the ultimate spammer.
On a customer shop. Can I get anything from here? I can. Sulfur Magnum? Heal. Oh, that would look so cool. Should I get this? I really want to get this.
So I just have watching.
Sorry. Oh, I can get the mini ones. Close coat. What can I get here? Balloons. How would this look? No, definitely not. I like this. Soda bottle. A blue mohawk. I wish I could get that. Pets. I could get pets.
No, I died.
No, dang it. Ooh, that's pretty good though. Super duck. I need to get the super purple mallard. This is a purple duck. I need this. I know. Wait, I need to get the. How do I use the stop? How do I use the DNA magnets? Oh yeah. Oh, I didn't realize I had 9 already being used on this thing. Okay. I'll use magnets. Done. Now I have 12.
I'm ready, come on.
1 second. I'm ready. Yeah, that's what I want to get. I'm almost there though. I'm really close. Okay, here we go. Yeah. Wait, let's play hide and seek. Try to find me. You can't use the map though. No map. You can't use the map though. You can't go on the map.
I'm not using the map. I'm just looking at my screen and looking up.
I know. Oh no! You have to tag me. Yeah, you do. Try to tag me. I know, but like, are you close enough? Oh, you missed! You missed! You missed! I'm trying to get you now. No, but on my screen I touched you. Comment down below if I touched him. I know I saw you. I was trying to trick you. I touched you. Yeah. Okay. Bruh, someone on our team is called, like, Dot. Where are you? Oh. Gosh. Oh no. This is a bad thing. There's a person chasing me with an emu. There's 2 people! Help me! Help me! I'm outside of the pyramid! Please help me! Save me! Save me! There's 2 people coming after me. I'm dead! I'm down! I'm down! I'm down! Help me! Help me! Lennox! Help me! Oh, you died? How do you die?
Someone shot me with a shotgun.
Oh, okay.
Oh no, guys, my brother's here.
Oh no. I'm just.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah, I'll sleep. Okay.
I'm ready.
I'm not even sure if the. Oh yeah, they can. I was okay. Ready.
I wish we could add another flag. Do you know anybody else that plays Super Animal Royale?
Not really.
Doesn't he play Super Animal?
No, he doesn't.
You can't say that. Hey, what color are you? Oh, red.
Yeah.
Hey, Stinky.
I'm running. Ah. Oh, his brother's here. His brother's here. Game, please start. His brother's coming. Try to find me.
Okay. I can't. You're way too high.
Haha. I wanna
I'm just gonna run out.
imagine I could actually get to the top of the map.
I found the top of the map before.
No, like in the game starting thing.
There's no way. You have to be like flying.
Hey, I got halfway. How? Tell me when to eject. Oh, okay. So near the beaver place. So okay, right there. But that's way past us. So. There's a bad guy. There's a guy back here and he doesn't have a weapon. He doesn't. He does actually have a weapon. Oh God, he has like a really. I'm down! I'm down! Help me! Help me! Dang it! Dang it! I died.
I killed them both.
Dang it! I died.
After the sun, I have to take the phone.
Oh man. Okay. You got this. You got this.
Wait.
Oh, do you have to go? Oh man. Okay. Wait. So you're doing pretty good.
No, I need more weapons. These weapons suck. I need long range.
They really do. Ooh, get that. What do you get? Is that good?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay. Couldn't tell. Oh, get that. Two right next to each other. Why'd you shoot him? He's on your team. Didn't do damage, but still. It wastes ammo.
I'm kidding.
Okay.
Fine.
How do you know which ammo goes for which thing? Oh, yes! Get that!
I've been playing this for 3 years.
Okay, yeah, that's probably a good reason why, how you know which ammo goes with which thing.
I got really good weapons.
Yeah. Oh, there's people. Get him! Oh, that's really good. Get him! Get him! Get him! Why aren't you actually getting them? Oh no, get Doggy Pro! He's down! Doggy Pro is down! Save him! No, Doggy Pro! Dang it. Wow.
Well, they're so fast.
Yeah. I'm gonna end the YouTube video because he has to leave. Yeah. Bye, guys. Oh wait. I'm stupid. I forgot it. Bye.